Hey there, good afternoon. Today we're going to make some barbecue bacon wrapped meatballs using our Pitball smoker. Today I'm using the competition hardwood blend pellets. I already had my smoker preheated to about 280 degrees. I have here 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. Put that in the bowl here. When I make it, I'm not going to put breadcrumbs in here. I'm not going to put egg in here. I just have my seasoning mix right here. What I'm going to do is get that out. And I'm going to be quite liberal. There's 2 pounds here. 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. So, I want a good bit of seasoning in there. It's got that chipotle pepper in there, so it's going to get a little bit of heat. Not a whole lot, a little bit. Get that in there and mix in there real good. That's looking good just the way it is. Now, I'm going to make them in about like that. Now, a little bit smaller than a golf ball. Alright, we'll make them up. We're going to put them on a rack, and we'll get there. When we come back, we'll get these on a rack. Alright, now we're back. Got the meatballs all done here. Now, I have some thick cut bacon. What I'm doing is going to peel it off and pick them up, wrap them up just like that. One more time for those who weren't paying attention. Now today's bacon is, I believe, the hickory smoked. It's going to add a good bit of fat and flavor to it. Alright, we'll get these all wrapped up. We'll come back, we're going to get them on the grill. Okay, so we got all the bacon wrapped up here. I left 2 of them without bacon, basically because I ran out of bacon and I was going to open up a whole new pack just for that. So we're going to keep those 2 without bacon, but I'm going to go ahead and put another good dusting on here. Like that. What I'm looking to do is I'm looking for an internal temperature of about 175, 180, and we'll let these suckers rest for a little bit. We're going to dig into them. Alright. I'm going to put these on here for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to check them after about 45 minutes and just check them to see how they're doing. Okay, so we're back. I just want to give you a quick look at these. They are looking fantastic. They have already come up to temperature. They're about 180 degrees internal. We're going to go ahead and pull them off. We're going to put some sauce on them, and we're going to put it back on the grill again. Barbecue sauce here. Pour a little bit inside. Now you got some of that sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. Hey, look. Extremely good. Color. While we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and crank our grill up to 300. I'm going to get a nice good glaze on here. Don't need a lot of sauce, just a little bit in each one. Okay. Take it to that next level of goodness. Alright, we'll come back here in 30 minutes and see how we're doing. Now that's what you call good eats. Stupid good. Alright, give these knives a minute to cool off, and then we're going to go ahead and have a taste test here. Alright, well, I can't wait anymore on this, so I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these open here. See how good we did? Take a look at this flavor. Take a look at that. That nice brown. Oh man.
Smoke penetration.
Really good night. Really nice smoke penetration on that. Alright. I know this bad boy is going to be hot, but I gotta try it anyway. Wow. It is hot. But with that barbecue sauce and then my chipotle sauce that I put on, the chipotle spread I put on there, get that sweet, got that heat, like that, got that really rich smoky taste in there. You can taste the smoke in it. Just fantastic. But yeah, definitely try this at home, and make sure you like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.